Ready for Halloween? Registered dietitian Michelle Jaelin is. She joins us with safe ideas for all trick-or-treaters, even those with allergies. And I love your costume.
Thank you. I'm the paper bag princess.
So we're going to be hearing Michelle's costume throughout the interview. It's awesome.
Thank
so it's
you.
just a little bit of craft paper and
construction paper to make a crown.
Very
and you know what? If
creative.
you want, you can roll around dirt too to make it really believable.
There you go.
Yes.
So you're here, and actually, if you're going to Michelle's house on Halloween, this is what she's going to be giving out, because it's a focus on not really food.
Yes.
Right?
So we do have food, but we also have other stuff to give, right? So there's something called the Teal Pumpkin Project.
Right.
That's why I have a teal pumpkin right here. And what it does is it makes Halloween more inclusive for kids who have different allergies and dietary restrictions. And it focuses on giving foods that are safe, but also non-food things.
Right. So, and the idea is that you put a teal pumpkin out on your step or your front porch or wherever you're giving candy away to let them know that, hey, we've got non-allergen stuff here.
That's right. So that is actually going to be on my front porch come Halloween. So, they can come to my house and I have a variety of different things to give.
Okay, which is odd. A dietitian not giving out food, but you think about it, otherwise you'd be giving out vegetables and stuff.
Yeah,
right?
I know, right? I totally give out vegetables.
Yeah, because when you think about it, I mean, nut allergies come to mind first,
Yes.
but there are also little ones out there who are allergic to chocolate, allergic to all kinds of things.
Yes, so there are, Food Allergy Canada has a whole list of allergens that people are allergic to. And these days, you know what, a lot of kids do have a lot of different allergies. So, I mean, certain things you can give away too. Like, I have these pencils right here I'm going to give away, erasers. Glow sticks are always fun and they're always great because I also like to talk about having a safe Halloween.
Yes.
So, you want to make sure that you're visible and you can be seen. If you're dark costume, you might want to wear, a fun reflector thingy so cars coming by can actually see you.
So you're the reflective paper bag princess
Yes,
as well.
that's right. Today, yes. So, and also things like stamps and whatnot. So just a lot of fun things. What I also like to do too is I like to focus on things to give away that might only have one ingredient. So something like potato chips tend to be more safe too, even if you're a kid. And yes, I do know kids do want food. They do want candy, even if they have allergies.
Yes.
Potato chips are things just like candies. Of course, if you're the parent at home, you want to make sure that you check everything, you read all the ingredients before consumption, and just of course, regular rules like don't eat any of the candy while you're out there, wait till you get home, sort it through.
Right.
And then you would, proceed, decide what you're going to do with it then. Maybe
Right.
eat it.
And then
save
you
it.
as a dietitian too, if you are getting candy, I'm sure it's don't eat it all at once, right? It's not a meal.
Well, it's really interesting because I actually think that parents shouldn't restrict eating Halloween candy, and that's because you kind of make it the forbidden fruit, and then kids are going to want it more if you say, well, you only get one piece tonight.
Right.
And kids are actually very intuitive, and they actually know to trust their own hunger instincts, so they'll eat and then they'll stop when they're full. And sometimes it's the parents that are putting that restriction on the kid that's making the kid want it more. Right?
And then if you get a lot of stuff and you're going days and days and days where you're having one or two, it almost becomes habit then, right?
Yes. Yes, so it's like a small treat, here and there. And here's the thing, too. When I was a kid, I would budget my candy and be like, okay, if I have 2 pieces of candy or 3 pieces of candy a day, I will have enough candy to last me until Christmas. This is what I did as a kid, right? I mean, kids are kids, and it's an enjoyable time. It's a fun time, It's very, very exciting for them. So we want to make it fun for them, right?
Right. Now, you do have some chocolate, and these are peanuts, right?
Yes.
Peanut product.
Yes. So what I would do at home is what I do is so stuff for a Teal Pumpkin Project, I would put that in a separate bin, in a separate section in my house.
Right.
And then the regular.
So that you don't get the cross-contamination
or so I don't
because
actually
some
forget.
contact, right?
Yes, and I don't forget and I accidentally give Reese's Pieces to a kid who has an allergy, so I don't forget. So I keep them separate. And then what I do is, and so kids who don't have allergies, they can have the Reese's Pieces, they can have whatever candy, right? It's just to make sure that you have something kind of for everyone.
Right. Some good ideas there. I don't know. I'm a nerd. I'd go for the pencils.
Me too. I love the pencils and I love the erasers. They're so cute. Okay. They're super cute.
Some great ideas there. Michelle, thanks so much for putting everything together and for being our paper bag princess.
Thank you.
Something strange. Come with us and you will see.